बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास इंग्लिश 9th, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप लोग? बेटा आज यूनिट 9 के हमारे पास कॉम्प्रीहेंशन यानी कि एक्सरसाइज वाले क्वेश्चन हैं। आए बहुत आसान है, आए इनकी रीडिंग करते हैं। वाई डिड द नर्स आस्क हियर सिस्टर टू कम एंड टॉक टू हर? द नर्स आस्क्ड हियर सिस्टर to come and talk to her sister. She thought that Hira's brain might work on her sister's voice. Why did the nurse disagree with the doctor's point of view? The nurse disagreed with the doctor's point of view because she thought that it was not logical. Why did the nurse ask herself the question, could I be able to justify my stance before the senior doctors? The nurse had got no right to oppose the doctors, but she had decided to resist them. Therefore, she asked herself if she could justify her stance before the doctors. Describe some qualities of the nurse in the story. The nurse is kind, caring, dutiful, and committed to her profession. Why did the nurse say, where there is a will, there is a way? The nurse had reached her seemingly impossible goal. Thus, she uttered the phrase. The phrase means that the unyielding people are bound to succeed. बेटा मुझे उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आए होंगे। आपने इनको याद करना है, लिखना ज़रूर है। राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस मस्ट। थैंक यू, बेस्ट विशेस, अल्लाह हाफिज़।